Hey love, so today's video we are going to be making liquid soap with just two ingredients, so keep on watching. Yes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, my name is Abigail Ifoma. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make a liquid soap with just two ingredients. If that's something you would like to know or learn, then keep on watching. To start with, you'll be needing your Texapon and your SLS. So your Texapon is going to be 100 grams, yes, and then your SLS is going to be 25 grams. I'll also be needing 1 liter of water. So right now the cup I'm having, it's on ml measurement, so that is 1000 ml make 1 liter of, yeah, make 1 liter. So that ml is what I'm going to be using to measure my water. So right now this is my 1 liter of water. I'm going to be dividing it into 2 parts. So when you're dividing it into 2 parts, you can actually make one water higher than the other one. It's your choice. So one water goes with the SLS and the other one goes with the Texapon. So right now I already added my XLS to the water, and then I'm just going to stir and stir until it melts down and dissolve into the water. So I'll set it aside and then bring the other one, half of the water, 1 liter water I measured, and then I'm going to put in my Texapon. After putting in my Texapon, I'm going to mix it together. Note, the Texapon is like a gel or like a Vaseline kind of texture. You just have to keep doing it until it melts down and dissolve into the water. So you just want to go ahead and keep stirring. You also put that aside and then just keep mixing your SLS until it dissolves. So when they are both dissolved, you just want to go ahead and pour them together. At this point, they are both blend well properly. I'm going to take my salt. So this is salt, the salt you use in your kitchen. Yes, just this is the normal salt you use in your kitchen. You just want to go ahead and add about 4 to 5 spoons of salt and add it gradually. Don't pour the salt at once because the salt thickens the soap. Okay, so as it is now, our liquid soap is ready. What makes it completely ready is the salt that I'm adding to it, just to give it this thick texture. That is it. So I'm going to be adding the salt gradually and then be mixing it. As you can see, once I add the salt, it dissolves and makes the liquid soap thick. So after mixing and I see that the soap is sticking the way I want it to be, I'll just go ahead and add my fragrance to it, just to give it this nice smell. And note, this is a transparent liquid soap, not a colored soap, so I'm not going to be adding any color to it. It's just going to be a transparent soap. So at this point, I think I'm okay with the way it is. I'm going to be using my perfume and I'll be using 2 spoons of it pour it inside to give me this nice smell. So but it's optional. If you don't have, you don't need to put on yours. So at this point, I'm going to be using my hand mixer to make it blend properly. So why I'm using my hand mixer to mix the soap is just for it to blend properly, and if there is any texture that is left in there, it's going to the hand mixer is going to blend it for me. So here is what the soap is looking like. I'll go ahead and let it sit for some hours and come back to show you guys what it looks like. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Comment down below. Let me know what you think, and if there's anything you want to ask, feel free to drop it at the comment section. I'll be so happy to respond to your question as soon as possible. I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you and stay blessed always.